So now in order to sync your DSM tool with your eBay account, you're going to come over to your name, go to settings. That's going to bring you to this screen. You're going to scroll down, click on eBay, and then you want to click and sync with eBay. Now there are different countries and different eBays that you connect with. Mine is ebay.com, so I'm going to sync with eBay and let the system work, and you're going to have to re-sign in. And go back through all the agreements. And again, this is if you had an error and you weren't connected. So now you have successfully connected your eBay token. So now we are good.